Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Have you ever wondered what remarkable changes can happen when seniors use castor oil for just 7 days? It's incredible, but over 70% of people over 50 report significant health improvements within just a week of using castor oil. This natural remedy has been gaining attention, and for good reason. I've spent weeks researching and consulting with health experts to uncover the most effective ways for seniors to harness the power of castor oil, and the results are astounding. Imagine experiencing smoother skin, stronger hair, and relief from joint pain in just 7 days. The transformations I've seen in seniors are so incredible that I felt compelled to share them with you. Can castor oil really enhance skin health for those over 50? What about its effects on promoting hair growth and alleviating joint pain and arthritis? We're going to explore all these benefits in detail, and I'll also provide you with crucial information on potential side effects and how to use castor oil safely, all based on real-life experiences and expert advice. By the end of this video, you'll have all the essential knowledge about castor oil. You'll discover solutions that might have been overlooked and find out how this simple natural remedy can make a significant difference in your health and well-being. So, if you're curious about how castor oil can benefit you or your loved ones, stay tuned as we dive deep into the multitude of health benefits castor oil offers for seniors. This information could be the key to unlocking better health and vitality for you. Castor oil is a natural laxative that can be incredibly effective for relieving constipation, a common issue among seniors. The key component in castor oil, ricinoleic acid, is released when the oil is broken down in the small intestine, stimulating bowel movements by increasing the motion of the intestines. To use castor oil as a laxative, take a small dose of about 1 teaspoon on an empty stomach, ideally in the morning. Mixing it with juice or warm water can help mask its strong taste, and following it with a glass of water aids in absorption and keeps you hydrated. It's crucial to start with a lower dose to see how your body reacts and to avoid potential side effects like cramping or diarrhea. Importantly, castor oil should only be used occasionally to prevent dependency and other health issues. Therefore, consulting a healthcare professional before using it, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are on medication, is essential. While castor oil works quickly, often within 2 to 6 hours, and provides a natural remedy free from synthetic chemicals, it should be used responsibly. Ensuring you stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water will help mitigate any digestive discomfort. Castor oil possesses powerful anti-inflammatory properties, making it an effective remedy for reducing inflammation and pain associated with conditions like arthritis and muscle inflammation. The high concentration of ricinoleic acid in castor oil has been proven to reduce inflammation and alleviate pain when applied topically. To harness these benefits, start by gently warming a small amount of castor oil, which enhances its absorption and effectiveness. Then, massage the warm oil onto the affected joints using circular motions, applying gentle pressure to stimulate blood circulation. This not only helps the oil penetrate deeper into the skin but also promotes better blood flow, which can further reduce swelling and pain. After the massage, cover the area with a clean cloth to retain warmth and allow the oil to work its magic for at least an hour. This method helps the oil to deeply penetrate the skin and provides significant relief from inflammation and discomfort. Finally, rinse off the oil with warm water to cleanse the skin. The anti-inflammatory and analgesic effects of castor oil, combined with its ability to stimulate blood circulation, make it an excellent natural remedy for managing arthritis and muscle pain. Getting a restful night's sleep can become increasingly challenging due to factors like stress, health issues, or changes in hormones. Castor oil offers a natural way to improve sleep quality thanks to its calming and soothing effects. When applied to certain areas of the body, such as the scalp or the soles of the feet, castor oil encourages relaxation and a sense of tranquility, which can greatly enhance sleep. Research published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology supports castor oil's effectiveness as a sleep aid, noting its mild sedative properties that help alleviate insomnia. To make castor oil a part of your nightly routine, warm a small amount in your hands and gently massage it onto your scalp, particularly around the temples and the back of your neck, or rub it into the soles of your feet. This gentle massage not only allows the oil to penetrate deeply but also activates pressure points that are known to encourage relaxation and better sleep. Incorporating this simple ritual into your bedtime routine can lead to deeper, more restorative sleep, which is essential for maintaining overall health and well-being as you age. Castor oil has significant antibacterial and antifungal properties, making it effective in preventing and treating skin infections and fungal conditions. The presence of ricinoleic acid in castor oil is responsible for its potent antimicrobial effects. This compound inhibits the growth of various bacteria and fungi, protecting the skin from infections and promoting healing. A study published in the International Journal of Molecular Medicine highlighted the effectiveness of castor oil in treating fungal infections such as athlete's foot and ringworm. Its ability to penetrate deeply into the skin allows it to reach and eliminate pathogens effectively. For seniors, who may be more prone to skin infections due to a weakened immune system, using castor oil can provide an additional layer of protection. To use castor oil for its antibacterial and antifungal benefits, apply a small amount of the oil to the affected area and gently massage it in. For best results, cover the area with a clean cloth and leave it on for several hours or overnight. This allows the oil to work deeply into the skin, combating infections and promoting healing. Regular application can help maintain healthy, infection-free skin. Castor oil is a highly effective natural remedy for relieving muscle and joint pain, particularly in individuals over 50. This oil contains a compound called omega-9 fatty acid, renowned for its potent anti-inflammatory properties. When massaged onto the skin, castor oil can deeply penetrate muscle and joint tissues, helping to reduce inflammation and soothe pain. This is especially beneficial for older adults who frequently experience joint inflammation and muscle aches due to arthritis or other musculoskeletal conditions. Additionally, castor oil stimulates blood circulation when applied, ensuring that blood and nutrients reach the painful areas more efficiently, thereby accelerating the removal of inflammatory substances and toxins from the body, which further aids recovery. By gently warming the oil and massaging it onto the affected muscles or joints for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then covering the area with a warm cloth for an hour, individuals can experience significant relief. This natural, side effect-free method is particularly advantageous for seniors who might need to avoid stronger pain medications due to other health concerns. Utilizing castor oil not only alleviates pain but also enhances the overall quality of life for older adults, allowing them to maintain their daily activities without interruption from persistent aches and pains. Castor oil is a powerful natural emollient that offers deep hydration, making it an excellent moisturizer for older adults. As we age, our skin becomes drier and more fragile, but the rich fatty acids in castor oil, particularly ricinoleic acid, help retain moisture and keep the skin soft and supple. For seniors, this can be especially beneficial as the skin tends to become drier and more fragile with age. This oil penetrates deeply into the skin, reducing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines by nourishing the skin from within. The antioxidants in castor oil combat free radicals, which are responsible for aging and skin damage, providing a protective barrier against environmental harm. Regular application can improve skin texture and elasticity, as evidenced by studies in the Journal of Cosmetic Science. For optimal results, apply a small amount of castor oil to the face and neck before bed, allowing it to work overnight to rejuvenate the skin. Castor oil also heals dry, cracked areas by forming a protective barrier, reducing skin inflammation and irritation with its anti-inflammatory properties. Incorporating castor oil into your skincare routine can significantly enhance your skin's health and appearance, helping you maintain a youthful glow and feel more confident in your skin. Castor oil is a fantastic natural remedy for hair care, especially for those over 50. As age increases, our hair tends to grow slower and become more prone to falling out, but castor oil can effectively address these issues. Rich in linoleic acid, castor oil enhances blood circulation to the scalp, stimulating hair follicles and promoting the growth of new hair. Additionally, it thickens existing hair by providing essential nutrients, making it stronger and more resilient. Moreover, castor oil's excellent moisturizing properties help prevent hair breakage by keeping it soft and hydrated. For those struggling with dry, brittle hair, this can be a game changer. Castor oil also soothes and moisturizes the scalp, reducing itchiness and flakiness, which are common as the scalp becomes drier with age. To reap these benefits, simply warm a small amount of castor oil in your hands and gently massage it into your scalp in circular motions for about 5 to 10 minutes. Afterward, cover your hair with a warm towel or shower cap and leave it on for at least an hour, or even overnight, to allow the oil to penetrate deeply. Finally, wash your hair with a mild shampoo to remove any excess oil. By incorporating castor oil into your regular hair care routine, you can maintain healthy, thick, and beautiful hair, regardless of your age. Boosting circulation. Improved blood circulation is another benefit of castor oil, particularly important for seniors who may experience poor circulation due to various health conditions. Massaging castor oil into the skin can stimulate blood flow and reduce swelling in the extremities. The warming effect of castor oil helps to dilate blood vessels, enhancing circulation and oxygen delivery to tissues. A study in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine noted that castor oil packs increased blood flow and alleviated symptoms of poor circulation. To improve circulation, gently massage warm castor oil into the legs and feet. And cover with a cloth to retain heat. Using castor oil safely is crucial, especially for older adults, to maximize its benefits while minimizing risks. When applying castor oil topically, start by warming a small amount in your hands, which helps the oil penetrate deeper into the skin and stimulates blood flow, enhancing its effectiveness. For skin applications, gently massage the oil onto the desired area using circular motions. When using it for joint pain, focus on the areas causing discomfort, using a gentle yet firm massage, and allow the oil to sit on your skin for at least an hour or even overnight for the best results. When it comes to oral use, begin with a small dose, such as half a teaspoon, and gradually increase to no more than 1 teaspoon per day, taking it on an empty stomach to aid digestion and alleviate constipation. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new oral regimen, particularly if you have underlying health conditions or are on medication. Incorporating castor oil into your daily routine can be simple and effective. For a skin moisturizer, mix a few drops of castor oil with a carrier oil like coconut or almond oil and apply it after a shower to lock in moisture. For joint pain relief, Create a soothing rub by combining castor oil with a few drops of essential oils such as lavender or eucalyptus. This blend can be massaged into sore joints to provide relief and reduce inflammation. By following these guidelines, you can safely and effectively enjoy the numerous benefits of castor oil. While castor oil offers numerous health benefits, it's important to be aware of potential side effects and take necessary precautions. Skin sensitivity is a common concern, so performing a patch test before regular use is advisable. Apply a small amount of castor oil to a discrete area of your skin and wait 24 hours to see if any redness, itching, or irritation occurs. Digestive issues can also arise from internal use, so start with a very small amount and gradually increase, monitoring your body's response and drinking plenty of water to mitigate potential discomfort. Medication interactions are another critical consideration, so consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating castor oil into your routine, especially if you are taking prescription medications. Additionally, prolonged use of castor oil as a laxative can lead to dependency, so use it sparingly and only when necessary, opting for natural dietary fiber and hydration to maintain regular bowel movements. Some people may experience respiratory issues when using castor oil, particularly if they are sensitive to strong smells. In such cases, use castor oil in a well-ventilated area and avoid direct inhalation of the fumes. By being mindful of these potential side effects and taking appropriate precautions, you can safely enjoy the benefits of castor oil while minimizing the risk of adverse reactions. Real-life experiences highlight the remarkable transformations that can occur with just 7 days of castor oil use. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips. See you next time.